Are you guys excited for today's class, today's webinar? How much excited are you all? Like any adjectives which can tell me? Super excited. Wow, that's really nice. Social Pratik. Smith, super excited. Wow. Preeti, very eager. Wow, that's really nice to know. Oh, Akansha was waiting from half an hour. That's really nice. Thanks for that. Raksha says very excited. Waiting from yesterday. Wow, that's so nice. Deepti says curious. Oh, Power Pack. Nice. Oh, super duper awesomely excited. Even I'm super duper awesomely excited, and I've got something really amazing for you guys. Yes, that's definitely, you'll need a notepad and pen to note down the important points. That's very nice, Preeti. Hi, Rakesh. Nice to see you here. I'm doing very nice, Vaishnavi. The video is just, I'm working on the video. So let me just start with the session now because it's 4. Yeah. Thanks everyone for joining today, and let's get started. You all know what is the topic for today. Hi Megha, I'm fine. Okay, so guys, let's go today. So today, first of all, let me welcome each and everyone. Thanks a lot guys for registering for this webinar and being present today to share this time, like this 90 minutes with me. So welcome each and everyone. Yes, I'm doing very nice on Instagram, and that is what the secrets I want to share with you all today. Okay, so now let me just bring the overview of this webinar with you guys. So what I want to share today is, let me just give you the context of our discussion or this session for today. So I'm going to share a few secrets. The first secret I'm going to share is, what is micro niche? You all must have heard about this term, but you all must not be knowing about it in detail. So this is what I'm going to tell you all, the secrets how to find your micro niche. Are you excited to know about your micro niche? Let me know in the comments, guys. Wow, that's pretty nice. So the second secret which I want to tell y'all is how to grow Instagram followers. And I'm sure 90% of y'all are here to know how to grow Instagram followers and how I gained 5K followers in 23 days. I'm pretty sure that's your objective of attending this. Okay, so Smith says, yes. So this is second secret which I'm going to share. The third secret is, what is affiliate marketing and how to earn from it on Instagram. So this is a very pretty interesting topic. You know, this will help you earn very easily, and affiliate income is the easiest income anyone can get. The fourth secret I have is how to get clients for your services. So this can be any services. You might have any business. So these are the secrets how to get clients. And there's something very, very, very important for us. It's the mindset. Because many times we cannot do things because we don't have the right mindset. How many of you believe that you yourself put a stop for you? Just say like I do in the comments. If you believe you yourself are stopping you from your success, just type there I do. Wow, that's really nice. That is why I have included this, the right mindset. Thanks a lot, guys. Okay, so before I tell you all the secrets, let me tell you who I am. I'm not going to take a lot of time because you all know me, and that is why you all have registered here. So a little bit about me is, I was in business analyst. I was working into corporate. I left the job and now I'm a social media marketer full time. I'm trying to be an awesome influencer, and presently I have 7,000 followers. Probably the day I designed the webinar, I had 5K followers, 5 to 6K. That is why the topic was how I gained 5K followers. But right now I'm on 7K followers, and my target is to hit 10K followers. Is it awesome, guys? Oh, thanks, Megha. So let's get started now. I don't want to waste a lot of time. So let's get started directly into the topic. So the first topic, what is micro niche and how to find it? How many of you all have an idea about what is micro niche? Anyone has idea about what is micro niche? Okay, no idea, no idea. Okay, I'll explain you all today what is micro niche. Okay, so let's see what is micro niche. So here, the micro niche means you have to tell people why should people follow you. So that in short is micro niche. Micro niche as such will look a very big topic, but if you just find out why should people follow you, that's the answer for what is your micro niche. You have to be very, very, very clear why should people follow you and put it on your bio there itself. So that is your micro niche. Is it clear? You should know why should people follow you. Are you with me? Say with me, with you. Okay, now I'll just show some examples of micro niche. So how do we get confused in micro niche and how we can go and find out micro niche? So first topic I have taken is digital marketing, because many of us say digital marketing is a micro niche. But no guys, digital marketing is not a micro niche. It is a major niche. It includes a lot of components like social media, blogging, YouTube, SEO, affiliate, many things included. I have just put out 4 points here. So digital marketing is a major niche, and your micro niche can be social media. In social media, it can be Facebook, Instagram, it can be LinkedIn. So it is how it is. So let's take one more example. Suppose you say I'm into fashion clothing. So you cannot be for fashion clothes for everyone. You will be specific. It can be women, it can be kids, it can be men, it can be bridal. So this is how you break down your micro niche. So first of all, you find out a point which you are interested in. Might be that is you want to do something about fashion styling. Then you go again, whom you want to follow, like why should people follow you? So that is how we break down to the niche. So is it clear till now? Just write it's clear. Is it clear till this point? Okay, thanks. So let's go now how to find a micro niche. So now here, this is a formula. So where you can find out a micro niche. So micro niche is always a combination of 3 things. It's your industry you're working in, your skills or demand in market. Let me give you an example here. Suppose I'm very good at household work. I'm very pretty excellent in household work. I cannot say household work is my micro niche. I have to look out whether there's a demand in the industry, whether people are interested to learn household work from me. So it's not. And now let me give you one more example. Suppose I'm working in a fashion industry. I have did my education, everything into fashion industry. I'm working into fashion industry. And today I come and declare on Instagram, I am an influencer for communication skills. So it's like completely different areas. I cannot go again and study about communication unless and until I give up fashion. So this is the niche. When you decide, you have to decide what are your skills with you. So someone is asking me, is soft skill a micro or major niche? So soft skill can be a micro niche. You have to portray how you want to bring it out to people. So now let's go here. You have to first figure out what are your skills, what are you interested into. Unless you cannot go into one topic which you're not interested. You will break the consistency rule and you're going to fail there. So always write down the points. What are your skills? So just guys write down the skills. Like what are your skills? Just write it in the comments. See, art can come into like, there can be a lot of arts there. Now, if you're doing, so suppose like there are a lot of types of art. So you can have your art, like whatever you're doing, caricature, or you're doing like scenery painting. So that can be your art. Yes, someone is saying soft skills, someone is saying fashion, travel, training. Training for what? I would ask you like training for what? What are you good into kind of? Okay, making dress, managing labors. Wow, that's really nice. Skincare, travel, drawing. Wow, so you all know your skills. Now, next thing you'll have to figure out is write down your skills. Then write down the industry in which you are working. So whatever work you are doing, write down that. And then is what you have to go and find out whether there's demand for this skill. So where the example I gave you, I'm very good into household work, but there is no demand for that. No one wants to learn household work. If I go and tell women, I'll teach you how to do household work, they're gonna kill me. They're like, what are you telling us? We're doing this for past so many years. It's like by birth, we have learned the skills. So that's how it is, guys. So is this clear? Is this niche discovery point clear for you guys? Okay, so thanks. So let's move a little further in the next point. So to discover your niche, I'll give you some tips here. Write down your skills, write down the industry you're working, go and find out the demand in the market and find out why should people follow you. That's the first thing. You have to figure out why should people follow you, and that's your niche. So now let's move on to the second topic, how to grow Instagram followers. So this is the topic which everyone was excited. So I am excited. So just say, bring it on, Asmita. I'll just bring it on. I'll then start the slide. Okay, thanks a lot. So let's see now how to grow Instagram followers. That's a pretty hot cake topic. So to understand how to grow followers, you should first make it sure what is the value that you're going to add in people's life. Unless and until you know the value that you want to add in people's life, you cannot expect people to follow you. So let me give you a clear example. Today you guys are following me. That is because I'm putting something about social media. If I stop this and I start posting my own pictures, I'm eating this, I'm cooking this, I'm doing this. After some time, you're gonna unfollow me, right? Is it right or wrong? Is it right or wrong? So I'm just creating an Instagram profile. I'm just writing everything about myself. Are you all gonna follow me? Obviously, no. It's a no. So that is why you should know what is the value that you want to add in people's life. Always remember your followers first. So what is that they're going to learn from you? Unless and until you know what is the value, you will not get followers. This is the first very important secret to remember. So now with this, I want to tell you a few things. I have seen a lot of people who have their bio like, I am a wanderer. I love myself. So suppose if I come to your Instagram profile and I say, okay, you love yourself. Let it be. You love yourself as much as you want. Why should I follow you? So don't do that mistake. So today, go and edit your Instagram bio and write there, I help people in this, or else I am an artist and I help people to learn art. Or you can write, I am a marketer and I help people to get the best products. So are you gonna do this? Are you gonna change your bio today? Just write like, I'll change my bio today. Just make it clear on your profile itself that you are going to do this. Yes, that's really nice. So understand why should people follow you. Then what is the value that you want to add in people's life? Internet is to add value for people. It's the social thing, it's there, but it's very limited. If you want to be really, really famous on Instagram or internet, you have to add value in people's life and change their lives. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. So now let's see the methods to grow Instagram followers. So to grow followers, there are organic methods, there are paid methods, and there are unethical methods. So organic methods is what we all love. Paid methods are the ones which work like magic. Unethical methods are the ones which we should always keep them like 10 kilometers apart from us, not even look at them. So now let's see what are the organic methods. So the first is the content. Now Souvik is saying unethical are fast, but unethical, I'll explain you the cons and pros of that. It's illegal to do it. It's not at all. It's never advised to do it. Your profile will get banned by Instagram. So let's see what are these organic methods to grow followers. The first is content. So you have to work very, very hard on what content you are putting on your profile. So now you know whom you want to serve. You know what is the value you want to add in life. Now go and research a little and then create this content. I'll answer the questions at the end of the session. So you can keep the questions. I'll take them up again. So you should design content, and that is like to help people. Your content has to give value, and only then people will follow you. The next is the hashtags. So this is pretty kind of nowadays we love this word hashtags, and we say I'm using a lot of hashtags but I'm not getting followers. Is it your case too? You're using a lot of hashtags but you're not getting views? Just say my case too, or yes, that's fine. Okay, that's really nice. So you know what happens here is we do not plan our hashtags. We plan our content. We plan what image is going. We plan what description we want to write. But we never plan these hashtags. So that is the biggest mistake we are doing. What we do is we design a post, we write a text, we go in Instagram directly and then directly put there hash my life and select whatever is coming there. This is completely wrong way to do it. Don't do that. Suppose if you're planning to post something tomorrow, which is on fashion for women, go in Instagram today, go in the search bar and put their hash fashion for women and see the number of available hashtags and select hashtags and keep them in sets. Always prepare sets of hashtags. You can use 30 hashtags, but I would tell you, you should use around 15 to 20. That's sufficient. Use hashtags from all the categories. So categories, I mean hashtags which have around 1 million posts, hashtags which have around 50,000 posts, hashtags which have around 20,000, which have around 10,000, which have around 5,000. So this is how you can use. You can use 30 hashtags. I'm not saying no, you can obviously use it. If you can go and find out 30 good hashtags in these categories, you can definitely use them. But don't go for hashtags which are like 10 million, 11 million, 12 million. We having like 200, 300 followers, those hashtags are not going to work for us. So always start with low hashtags, and the way you grow, you go to big hashtags. So the next is follow for follow. So by this follow for follow, I don't mean the apps like follow, hash follow for follow, hash like for like. Don't do that. They are not the good ways to do. Follow for follow as in, suppose today so I go to my friend. So I have a friend whose name is probably Jibin. I'll tell him, okay, Jibin, I'm starting something like this. You follow me and I'll follow you back. Let's engage with each other's content. So this is the right way for follow for follow. So go out, reach out to your friends, your family, or the people you know in some communities. Tell them, I'm starting something new. You all follow me and I'll follow you back. What about the people unfollow later? You also unfollow them. So if they're not following you continuously, go and unfollow them. There's no point to keep them there. Always your following should be less. So you cannot keep like followers 500 and following 1,500. You have to go and remove them. So that's the prettiest advice I can give you. It's not unethical. See, it's like you're going and approaching them in a very nice way. I'm following you, you all follow me. They are doing it unethical. They are following you today and tomorrow they are unfollowing you. So it's unethical from their side, not from your side. You are with the points. You're not unfollowing them on your own. Okay, guys. So this follow for follow is clear. Just write clear. Next is consistency. And this is where 90% of the people fail. I will give examples of good hashtags. Probably you can ping me on Instagram. I'll do that because here if I go to find out hashtags, it will take time. Hashtag research takes minimum of 1-2 hours to find good quality of one set of hashtags. So it's a one-time activity where you have to invest your time. Okay, so the next point is consistency. So this is the point where we fail. What happens? We are in full energy. I do something, I decide I want to be a social media influencer. I start today with high energy. I post for 10 days. And after that, I'm like, oh, sure, I don't want to do it. I'm tired now. So does this happen with you guys? Do you all fail to remain consistent? Yes, so this is the major, it's like an enemy for us. We always fail to be consistent. We have to be consistent because, your audience is getting like kind of addicted to your content. So they are following you for some value. They are getting addicted to your value. Suppose you're posting at 3 p.m. and if you forget to post, just see the number of pings you get on Instagram. Where is your today's post? Where is your today's post? Because people are getting addicted to your content, addicted to the value you give. And if you stop being consistent, these people are going to unfollow you and go away. You cannot grow then. Yes, so that's consistency. So let's move a little further now. Is contests. So now in this contests, you can create a lot of contests. You know, you can give freebies to people, tell them, you can give puzzles. The one who solves, I'm going to give you an ebook. If it is like some other contest, like, okay, tag your 5 friends and share this post, you'll get some 1 hour call with me. So give contests like this to people. And contests posts are the maximum attention gaining posts on social media. So if you create any contest, if you want to give anything for free, or it's a contest, you know, people want that pride. I won this. So this is how we'll get a lot of traction. The next is shout out from others. So the shout outs is nothing but you have to approach your friends. Probably they should have similar audience. Suppose you are into men's fashion. You cannot go and approach a blogger into women's fashion and tell her, give me a shout out. So that's not important. So you have to go and find out people who have similar audience and then request them, can you give me a shout out, and I'll give you a shout out back to you. So this is the organic shout out where you can do it with your friends and your known people. So when they ask money, it is the paid shout out. That's different. So this is what the organic shout out I'm talking about. The people who are beginning in their journey just like you. So if you got it, just write got it. If you guys got it till here, just write got it. Keep it coming, guys. I'm enjoying reading the comments. Thanks. So let me just go further now. So now this is what engagement with the competitors. So competitors as in, I would say anyone in your industry. Just follow like 10-15 people who are in your industry, who have a little better followers than you. Go follow them, like their each post, comment something valuable on their post, join them live, try to go live with them. This is how his audience or that influencer's audience is gonna know about you. And that is how they'll come up and check your profile. So this works, this really works. Because I have tried it. I go live, I try to join live to any influencer in social media. And then I send them a live request. The moment they take me live, there are 10-15 people who come and check back my profile. The moment they see my comments consistently on someone's, then they reply to the comments, people come and check your profile. So this is how it is. Encourage them. It's not like, don't put any spammy comments. Encourage them. Very nice. I agree with this. Absolutely, very true. Thanks for this. So put valuable comments. They will reply there. And by this, you'll also increase your relation with them. So probably after some days, you go and ask them for a favor. They're definitely going to do it for you. No, you should never ask, go and check my page. This is an unethical way. You're spamming them. Never spam them. It's their profile. You cannot go and spam and put it there like, go and check my profile. It's spammy. They're going to just block you. So always do something good, encouraging those people. So here, engagement as in you have to go and join people who are live, comment something valuable. I agree with you. Thanks for this information. Really insightful, awesome, or drop some hearts. This is how you will, those people will start gaining trust on you. A lot of other people will come on your profile. Plus this influencers will have a kind of good note for you. So you can go and approach them later. Okay, so now let's move on to the paid methods to grow on Instagram. So just write paid methods in the chat. Thanks, Ratika. Just say paid methods because these paid methods do magic. They work like a magic, you know. So it's like I do some magic and my followers grow probably in just 2-3 days kind of. Okay. So the first important paid method is the story ads. You have to tell people you are here. You cannot just create a profile and wait for people to come and find you. It won't happen that fast. It will happen. Organic methods will work, but they take their pretty slow time because they are really slow. So you have to go invest your time, invest your money, invest your effort and create ads and reach out to people and tell them, hey, I'm Asmita, I'm starting something new like this. Would you be interested to follow me? So go and run these ads. So these are the story ads. You can also promote your posts. So if you have created some valuable post, go and promote those posts. You can go and promote it. You will get followers through that. The next is paid shout out. So here is like you have to reach other influencers who are giving you paid shout out. So there are a lot of sites on which you can go and find out. If you just search it on Google, you will get a lot of sites. You'll get a lot of influencers who will charge you 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, and then you can go and get them. The cost per follower ranges anywhere between 2 to 6, 7, 8 rupees. It depends upon your audience, but you can just optimize your ads and get the minimum cost per follower. So this is how the paid shoutouts work. Now here, you all might say, there's some blogs also, you all might remember this. So it's like you have to pay someone. Suppose there are blogs like Your Story, Better India. There might be some people who are putting out blogs like 10 top fashion influencers, top 10 social media influencers. Try to reach out to them on Google and go and like pay their fees and try to get your name there. So this is how it will work. Shout out is nothing but you reach out to other influencers, pay them their fees and ask them to put your profile in their story. So that is in simple shout out. Now you all might say, I don't want to invest. I want to grow organically. It's absolutely right if you want to grow organically. But the problem here is you are starting today, you're putting your heart into your content. You are like giving your entire time and energy to develop a content and you're not getting people here. There will be someone who's creating account tomorrow. He will just create 5, 6 posts and run ads and he's gonna go before you. So he's gonna win the race if you decide not to invest. So to grow on Instagram, to grow as an influencer, you have to always invest your efforts, your time and funds. I don't say just pump in a lot of funds, you can always earn. And that is what I'm telling you, how you can earn. Charges for shout out differ from people to people. It starts somewhere from 2,000, it can go up to lakhs also. Story ads are particular ads which will tell people follow me. Post promotion is just like a brand awareness. People will only see your post. There's no guarantee that they're coming and following you. Okay, so now this is the unethical method which I was talking. So this is like buying the fake followers, the bot followers. You pay me this amount, I'll give you 1,000 followers, or else go and buy some existing account of someone. Or else you can just get some bots. Now you all must have noticed, if you'll put a post in your story, you'll find a lot of people with blue ticks or something viewing your story. So it's not they, but it's the bots. So this is complete no. Never, never, never do this. Instagram will block you if you do this. If you take a lot of bot followers, it's gonna reduce your engagement. It's gonna reduce what's the joy and the beauty in your profile. It's waste of time anyway, guys. You're buying 2,000 followers, they're not gonna do anything. They're not gonna engage with your post, neither they're gonna buy from you. So I would prefer I have 1,000 followers compared to having like 1 million of bot followers. Story ads price, it's nothing. You can keep your budget from 100 rupees, any budget. Per follower cost will be somewhere around 2 rupees to 8 rupees or 10 rupees based on your audience. See, bot followers are the followers which is the fake followers we buy from the market. They don't engage, they don't like your post, they don't comment on your post, they don't buy anything from you. They just remain there to increase the number of your followers. So it's just waste of time to have them. It's completely waste. There's no point in having 10,000 followers who are like not actual humans. They're not actual humans. There's some fake accounts created. Selection of audience for story will depend upon who your audience is. The first point I told, whom you want to serve, that is your answer for selection of audience. For hashtags, if you say you have to go and search the post what it is, go and see what are the hashtag suggestions and select hashtags from all the categories. 1 million, 50,000, 20,000. So just start with low number of posts. See, the bot thing is very famous in the industry. The moment I started this webinar, someone that I can just buy the followers. So there was a comment there. So this is very fake and you cannot do this. I hope it is clear till here. For hashtags, you can use all hashtags. There are multiple sites which will show you hashtags. Okay guys, so clear. So let's move further now. So let's move to affiliate marketing. How many of you have heard about affiliate marketing? Okay, but for those who do not know what is affiliate marketing, let me bring it out. So these are two people out here. So the person A and person B. The person A is the one who has a lot of products. So she's telling like, I have many products, but I have no time to sell them. So this is the person A is telling you, I have many products, but I don't have time to sell them. And this is person B. So it can be you. What are you telling there? Okay, give me some commission and I'll go and sell your products. So this is how affiliate marketing is. Yes, middle agent. This is how affiliate marketing works. You take someone else's products, take some commission and go and sell that. So now how do you sell it? There are multiple ways to sell it, but today we are like specifically looking on how to sell it on Instagram. So you all must be knowing it. Once you have 10,000 followers on Instagram, you get the swipe up feature. The swipe up feature is nothing but people can directly swipe on your story and they'll directly go to the link. Yes, digital products are the best for commission, but there are multiple sites which are giving you affiliate commission. I know you can just do it very easily. Example, like suppose I put a video tomorrow and I wear a pretty blue kurta and I just write there, I just bought this kurta on Amazon. If you girls love it, just go and buy it. I'm sure 1 or 2 girls are going to go and buy that. So that's how I'm making the money. Yes, it is like a third party. You just go and sign up with the person, owner of the product and decide some commission. So there are multiple sites to do. And with this, I mean, you cannot go and posting everything on your profile like, okay, buy from me, buy from me, buy from me. People are gonna like block you. They're gonna mark your post as spam. So don't do that. Always be authentic. Use some products. You can put a story like, I'm reading this very lovely book by Russell Brunson. It is very, very helpful for marketing. If you guys want to know marketing, just go and buy this book. So there will be 1 or 2 people who will go and buy this book. Always do it very nicely. Yes, I mentioned few sites name, or if you Google also, you'll get a lot of site names for this affiliate. The best people who are working in the industry is Amazon, because Amazon, you can take any product. You can sell anything which is available on Amazon from 3% to 30% of commission. You will be eligible, like some sites have limit of having more followers, but some sites doesn't matter. You can just go and sign up for them even if you have 100 followers. See, if you should have a specific brand because your audience is important. Suppose my audience is all men, I cannot go and sell things which are for women. So you have to understand who are your audience and then select the products. So these are some examples, like I would say just not 1% examples of affiliate sites. There are multiple sites. Just go and search on Google and go and sign up. They'll always have an option, join us an affiliate. Now this is the next, how to get clients. So now this question can be answered in both the ways. Suppose now someone has asked me, I am a makeup artist, how can I get clients? So there might be someone who will ask me like, I'm a travel agent, how can I get clients? Or there might be someone who will say, I want to give my social media services, how can I get clients? So I'll answer this question for all of you all. Now, example, if you are a makeup artist, bring up your profile so nicely as a brand in makeup. You can always bring up it as a brand there. If you are a baker, you can bring your profile up as a baker. Put your stories about baking, put behind the scene videos. Let people get interested in your content. And that is how people will come and approach you. Now, if your profile is talking about tips for makeup, all about makeup, there will be many women out there. When you start growing your followers, they'll approach you. I like this makeup. How can I do this? Do you have an online course, or can I come to your area? So you have to always target people in your area so they can walk in there. So this is how you can get clients for any of your business. So now the next is getting clients for your services. See, now you have learned Instagram. You have learned Instagram. You have developed your profile as an influencer. So you have done everything. Now you can go and tell people, see guys, I have done it for myself. I have increased my followers from 100 till 5,000. If I can do it for me, I can do it for you also. Just you have to buy my paid services. This is how I go and approach them. Don't be behind them, hire me, hire me, hire me. No one is going to hire you. So what you can do is go search local businesses near me, wherever you are. You will find a list of multiple local businesses. Go and search their websites. Go and search their Facebook profile, Instagram profile. Find out some faults, like are they posting regularly or they're not posting at all. And then go and write them. Hi, I'm Asmita. I just came through your profile on Instagram. I see that you're not posting regularly. I am the one, like I have gained 5,000 followers, right? Starting from 100. I can help you with strategies to post. I can help you get clients. Write an email like this. If you write 10 emails per day, obviously 1 or 2 people are going to get converted. So this is how you can get clients for your services. So once you grow your Instagram, it's not only for your business. You can go and give the services to others too. You can go and give it to others also. Yes, you can even use the platforms as Upwork, Freelance, and you can give your services, but it's always good to get people directly via emails, because Upwork and Freelance, people come there for like low fees. If you really want pretty high charges, you have to find people separately, but they are also the platforms. So this is how you can get clients. Is it clear till here, guys? Just write clear. If it is clear till here, just write clear, guys. Thanks, guys. Thanks a lot. Now the next point we come is the mindset to start. Yes, this is suitable in anything. If you are into interior designing, you can develop your profile like that. You can portray the best designings you have done. You can give some tips, you know, like if you keep the door this side or this side, this is how it's gonna become. Like you can just give people a lot of designs, ideas, give value in whatever field you are. People will follow you. Okay, so now is the right mindset to start. See, I told you all how to grow your followers, how to earn via affiliate, how to get clients, but I believe there are still people here who will say this is not possible for me, but it is possible for you. I don't know English, I don't know communication, I don't know what I'll do, I don't know social media, I cannot take photos. So this all is clear and complete bullshit, guys. There's nothing that you do not know. You know, a human brain or a human is a person who can learn each and everything if only you desire to. So just write in the comments, I can learn everything if I have a desire. Just write it there. I can learn is what you can write there. I can learn. So because you can learn anything if you have desire. This is the most important thing. You can learn anything in this world. You know, we have the sharpest brain. It just needs is our efforts and our time, which we fail to give. You like a person cannot be like a master from beginning. Everyone starts at zero. You all must have seen my name coming in emails by Saurabh. I had 100 followers when I started. I went to him saying like, I don't know what do I post. I have no idea what to post there. And then he came to me like, why you are telling this to me? You go do research. And you know, I did research. I started posting. And a couple of days back, I went to him again and I told Saurabh, can I start posting 2 times a day? Because I have so much content now. It's like only if you do take efforts, you believe in yourself, that's the thing. I even put a post on this yesterday. The only things to win is consistency, your efforts, and believe in yourself. Yes, so now we all believe that we can learn. So that's how it is. If we believe, we can do it. So now let's I'll just show you all how can we do some calculations, because I spoke about a lot of points here. I did speak about how to grow your followers, how to earn affiliate, how to get clients. So there might be some people who will still say like, how did you earn 30,000? I have written it there, like, how did I earn that much? I did cross a lot of income than that, but I just want to tell like how you can do it. So I just have a simple calculations for you all. This is like pretty simple calculations. See, to find content, now I believe you are into beauty thing, Tanya, if I'm not wrong. So what you can do is you can go and find out other influencers in the same thing. So go and find out big profiles who are into beauty. See what type of content they're putting, what type of content your audience likes a lot. Then go and do it in your style. Suppose if people are liking bridal makeup, you can go and do, okay, these are the 5 tips to do makeup at home. So you can just go get ideas from a lot of keyword research tools available in the industry. You can go find out keywords, search on Google, and then develop your content on that. Yes, you can do it on vegetable marketing, but you'll have to see if there are people in that area. I suppose you are in Gadinglas now. So you have to see if people are available on Instagram and Facebook. And obviously there are. And organic vegetables or the homemade vegetables are very high in demand. So if you develop a profile for organic vegetables, it has a high value. Yes, you can use Google Keyword Planner. You can use Uber Suggest. There are a lot of things. Yes, you can do it for jewelry also. Yes, that's really true. No, just initial 1 week, you'll feel developing content is difficult. But don't stop there. Just push yourself for that 1 week. If you're not if you don't have that faith, you can have content, don't post for 1 week. Because you're just beginning. Just stop posting, just try developing content. Prepare your content 10-15 days in advance and then start posting. And then you'll start getting content again. Yes, dentistry also. You can develop your profile as the best dentist thing. You can give tips to people. You can have your services. If you see, there are a lot of these smile dentists and all, like they have very nicely developed profiles there. You can just go see them what they are doing. So these are the tips. They are telling you how you can do. So now let's see how we can do this earning calculation. Yes, you can obviously introduce yourself as a wellness buddy in your city, because this is what people are looking for. And believe me, after lockdown, people are gonna come for fitness because now everyone is eating more, relaxing, and they're just gaining weight. Yeah, so for this women's fashion industry, you can go and find out about little more fashion people, what they are putting out. Just see what you are convenient with, and then you can come for a profile. So now the next is, let's see how we can do earning calculation. Example, if you're taking a product which is 2,000 rupees. So 2,000 rupees product, you are selling like 2 units per day with 10% commission. Imagine you have like 6,000-7,000 followers, putting out something, I wore this very nice pretty dress, or I read this something. People are gonna definitely buy it if you give them your example. So this is how, if you're selling a product which is like 2,000 rupees, you are selling 2 units per day with 10% commission, that is 200 per unit. You're going to get 12,000 per month. Just by selling one product, you're going to earn 12,000 per month. Is it awesome, guys? Just write awesome. If this is awesome, just by selling one product of 2,000, 2 units a day, I'm gonna get 12,000. Okay, so now let's go. Next is clients. So this client is what I'm telling you is different clients. It's the clients for social media. If you have a profile for your travel blog or your makeup thing, you're gonna get clients for your thing. So I do not know how much you charge for those people. So you can just put your income there and calculate how much it is. Affiliate marketing you can do on Instagram via your stories, or you can just put some post describing reviews about some products and say like the link is in the bio if you want to buy. There's no limit to sign up for affiliate. You can just go and sign up. So now let's see what is client income. Suppose if I just get one client for Instagram and Facebook and I charge him 10,000 per month. This is the minimum rate in the industry because you have to design the content, you have to do the posting, you have to monitor the comments. AdSense comes only when you have a blog. You cannot go on earn on AdSense via Instagram. Suppose I'm charging like 10,000. I can earn 22,000 per month just by my Instagram profile. This is the minimum, guys. Companies have a separate platform. You can go and sign up there, then they give you your special link. So whoever clicks your links, buys through your links, directly goes through the algorithm in your account. The companies did not have to keep that in mind. So is this awesome, guys? Just by selling one product and taking one client, you can earn 22K per month as a passive income along with your job. So if it is awesome, just write awesome, guys. Thanks, guys. So now see, here also it's like if you take more efforts, you're gonna earn more. If you're satisfied with one client, you're gonna earn less. But if you're like want to give more time, find more clients equal to more money. So you can just go and find 2-3 clients. If you find 3 clients, 30,000. So it is how it is. See, PPC and all comes for blogging. We are talking about Instagram, specifically Instagram and Facebook. If you have a blog, you can sign up for any AdSense and thing, then you get that PPC. See, 100% commission is obviously awesome, but no one is gonna do that. If I have a product, I have taken efforts to develop the product. Maximum I can give commission is 50%. I will not give you 100%. See, pricing is you can decide your efforts. If you search on blog, you'll get a lot of pricing thing. Market is competitive, that's true, but the rates start anywhere from 7,000 till 20,000 till 1 lakh also. There are people who charge for daily post on Instagram 7,000, 10,000, 15,000. There are people who charge 1 lakh also for the same work because they have the quality. You can manage Instagram and FB both because you're going to share the same post. It is only managing. If you're running ads for them, you can always charge them extra. You can do affiliate marketing for multiple products. If you have used them, you can do for multiple products. Yes, this 10K is managing both because you have to get the idea of content, you have to design the content, you have to post the content, you have to monitor the comments. And if you're running campaigns, then there's another part of works come there. So now guys, like after all this, I have a special offer for you all. What kind of products I sold? I sold a lot of products. See, I have signed up for affiliate network of probably 20 to 25 sites. I have just gone and sold products. I sell courses, I sell books, I do sell clothing, I do sell utensils also. I do have a separate blog which is out of social media. So there I put anything. I just write about anything and I just put anything. No, you cannot promise how many likes they're gonna get, but you can only promise that you're gonna maintain the site very nice. You cannot promise exact number in social media to anyone. You can just tell them, I'm gonna do my best, I'm gonna give you the best results. And you can always show your sample results. You can show your profile, your cost per click, everything to them. You can focus on one product, it's okay. If it's in your niche and the product is really pretty good with having very high value in the market, you can focus on one product. Okay guys, so now let's see, I have some special offer for you all today. So do you all want to know what is the special offer? If you want to know what is the special offer today, just say yes there. Okay, this is the offer by which whatever you all saw my title, how I gained 5,000 followers and I earned 30K revenue only via Instagram, is by this product itself. So this is, I'm giving you all a live testimony of this product. So this is the Instagram influencer bundle. So this is my live testimony. Like I'm sitting here as a living testimonial for you all for this product. I have used this product. I enrolled into this course on 16th March, but the live session started on 22nd March. After which there was a 21-day challenge thrown out and I won the 21 days challenge. I was late, but I did get a prize, 5,000 cash back. I did do affiliate sales. I crossed my revenue of 30,000 only via Instagram. I gained, now I'm on 7,000 followers. It's all due to this product. And this product is by Saurav Jain. You all must have seen my name in his emails or you all must have seen his name in my stories. So that's how it is. Like, he's my mentor. And this particular product, the Instagram Influencer Mastery, is all you need to earn via Instagram. This product will cover what ads you need to run. What is the script going to be for the ad? What you have to say in the ad? How you have to set up the ad? Everything is covered in this product. You can even know like how you can reduce the cost per follower. You will even learn in depth about how to grow your followers organically. This course will also teach you how to write about like copyright, how to write descriptions, how to write catchy headlines to attract people. This course is going to teach you everything. It will teach you hashtag research. It will also teach you how to do brand collaborations. The course is going to teach you how you can go and approach other people. What is the email script you need to write to get people to you? So this course has everything. This also has how to do TikTok videos, how to use InstaMojo for sales, how to do in-depth research of your competitive industry. So everything is covered in this Instagram Influencer Mastery. Is it awesome, guys? Is this product awesome, guys? Everything is covered. Everything what I explained y'all is covered in depth in this product. Okay, so let me just take you a little further. I'll just tell you all. So now this course, even though it is saying a 30 days challenge, it is pre-recorded videos. You can take it in your own time, and there's a lifetime access. It's not that your access will go away. You can watch the videos for the entire life. There's no age. You might be 15, you might be 25, you might be 50, you might be 60. You can enroll in the course. There are people in course with me who are like 59, 60, 65. They are still doing this course because they want to do something themselves. They have the mindset, I can do it. Plus, as what you'll have success partners in this group who will help you to grow together. And there will be a lot of challenges here. So now I won the challenge of 21 days. So there are challenges of hashtag research. There are challenges of affiliate sales. So a lot of challenges here. I'll give you the link to buy. And the best thing about this course is if you buy this course, you don't have to buy any other course. It's like there are no upsells. So I'm not giving you this course today and tomorrow I'm telling you if you want to increase, you have to do this. No, it's one and only complete bundle for you to do everything. So this course is full-fledged for you to earn on Instagram, to become an awesome influencer, to earn on Instagram and everything. So this is the curriculum here. So this is the curriculum. I'll just show you the number of videos this course has. You can just see how many slides I'm just taking. So these are the contents it has. It has introduction. It has how to do a niche. 1 week, entire week content only on niche. Then there's a 1 week content on how to develop content, how to go do research, how to find content, how to design content, how to edit content. Everything is there. This course is a video content. It is not available as a book. It's a video. See how you can upload videos, how you can use hashtags, how you can grow your followers, how you can improve your skill of talking, how you can improve your skill of writing stories, how you can do affiliate marketing, how you can collaborate with brands, how you can do copyright, how you can do TikTok, how you can use InstaMojo. It's all in depth. This is all the course curriculum. And this is none other than Saurabh Jain. So my mentor and my guru. So this course he teaches in physical, like 3 days program where he charges 60,000 to people. So it is his physical course. But today, since you have given me so much time and this course is an online course, the actual charge for this online version is 13,999. So it's not 60,000, it's 13,999. But today, since you all have joined, I have something bonuses for you all. So now is this online version for 13,999 awesome? Like 60,000 course, just because it is online, you're getting it for 13,999. Now let me just go to some bonuses which I have here. So this course, you'll get the first bonus is the Facebook group, which I told you all. The Facebook community is the awesome community. You can go any time of the day and ping out your problem there. I'm finding it difficult to post my IGTV video on Instagram. So you will get reply. So you can see here, Saurabh is replying. So you get a personal reply. So that's the first bonus. Is it awesome, guys? A Facebook community where a very famous digital marketer is very active. Is it awesome? Just write awesome. The next bonus you have is the Telegram group for support. So this Telegram group is a one-way channel so that you don't miss communications from our team. So where you'll get a lot of polls, you'll get a lot of quizzes, you'll get a lot of challenges which you can take part. So these are the challenges where you'll earn things, like you can even earn through this, winning these challenges. So this is the second bonus, that is the Telegram group. So now you have a Facebook group, you have a Telegram group, plus you're gonna get a WhatsApp group with your success partners. So in this course, we have a concept to collaborate with people, to just get together with people who are in the course and form a WhatsApp success group and help each other. So that's the third bonus. The next is the 21 days challenge contest. I did win this contest. I got a 5,000 cash back, and this is the post which Rishi had put on the Facebook group, and I got a lot of comments, like a lot of kind of motivating comments, and that's why I want to go to 10K now. So there are a lot of contests here. You can take part. So suppose you're buying this course today. That doesn't mean you have to take in this part in this content today. You can take your own time. You can go through the videos. You can develop your content. You can do all your research. And then is what you can say, okay, I'm taking part in the contest now. So is it super, guys? Is it awesome, guys? So the next is, you can even earn by affiliate by selling this course. So once you are in this course, you are experiencing this course and you want to tell it to your friends, you can tell it to your friends and you'll get a 15% commission. You can even earn by this course itself 15% commission. I'll just show you all one proof. So this is one of the student. She has earned 19,500 just by selling this Instagram course along with her other affiliate products only in April. This is her income only for April through this course. Is it awesome? Just say awesome, guys. Now let's move for the next bonus. The next bonus is the Facebook Mastery course. Suppose you're giving your services as a social media marketer for the industry. You can go and learn this Facebook Mastery and help people to generate leads, help people to get their clients. So you will learn in and out of Facebook ads, everything about Facebook. The course actually costs 12,999, but today we are giving it as a bonus. It's free for you all today. That's not enough, guys. There's something more I have brought for you all. Is the Messenger Ads Mastery. Nowadays, Messenger is kind of hot cake for doing a lot of ads because it goes as personal. The opening rate of messages are more than the emails. This course actually costs 12,999, but today we're gonna give it free. This, you're gonna get it free today along with the Instagram bundle. But this is not enough. I have something more for you all. You are going to get 4 live sessions every Wednesday at 9 p.m. with Saurabh Jain. You know, Saurabh Jain charges 20,000 per hour live call. So it is worth 80,000 rupees and you're going to get it free. Imagine you can get all your questions answered by him in this live call. You can just write the questions to him and he answers. Everything, how you can learn this, how you can begin this, it's all in this course. This course will take you from a right beginner without knowing anything to a master. When I started this course, I was a complete beginner. I didn't know anything about Instagram. I didn't know that IGTV is in Instagram only. I was that kind of. But today I can tell you in and out about Instagram. Along with this, just today, because I have taken this webinar, it's my first webinar. And if you all buy this course today, I'll give you all a 30 minutes call with me. So wherein you all can connect with me, you all can ask me your doubts and I'll help you all here. So this is only for today, like the call thing. So if you all buy this course today, you will get a 30 minutes call with me. Now see, what I'm giving you all is the Instagram course, the Facebook course, the Messenger course, Facebook group, Telegram group, my live calls with Saurabh. Actual value is 1,96,000, but I'm not going to charge all that. I'm just charging you all 6,999. Is it awesome, guys? You're getting everything in just 6,999. I'll just give you all the link now to buy. So this is the link. You can go and buy from this link. Thanks, Himanshu. I'm sure this course will work wonders for you. You just go into the course, even if you're a complete beginner, it doesn't matter. You might be the one who doesn't know what is Instagram. Still, you can take this course. The initial videos are for that only. Yes, Akansha, you can write an email to me, so I'll send you the link in the email. I'll give my email ID also, so you can write an email to me if you want to buy. I left my job this lockdown, obviously lockdown. I left my job before also because I wanted to focus on learning, and this lockdown. That's my email ID if you want to write it to me. So this is the course where you are getting an entire thing about Instagram, how you can do affiliate marketing on Instagram, how you can do Facebook ads, how you can do messenger ads. Everything is what you're going to get in this course. See, Shagufta, your questions, all questions are answered in this course itself. How you can write your bio, what you can do, how you can do research, how you can find content, how you can find your niche, how you can make your mood, how you can believe in yourself. Everything is there. This course is designed to be an awesome influencer. Even if you are nothing, even if you're zero in the industry, you can be an awesome influencer. PDF is in PDF of what? This is the course. This is a course which I showed you all the videos here. I'll just show